Hey y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
Okay,
We're back.
this might be the bonus. Hey, we love brunch so much. We said 5 recipes. Hello, let's do it. So,
What we get into?
okay, so this is the sake sparkling cocktail. So I definitely feel like this is definitely, I said definitely twice, atypical of brunch. But it's got champagne in it, so I feel like when you put champagne in it, it makes it brunch. Possibly. I don't
A
know.
little culture to it.
Yeah, it's a little something. So we're gonna first test out our sake, and then we'll run through the ingredients for today.
Oh, child.
This bottle's cute though.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Well, I mean, this is also true. Little taste test prior.
I don't think nothing can compare to the Dirty Martini and the Bloody Mary that we have had.
Nothing compares to you. R.I.P. You gave me an opening, so I'm just, wearing with it.
I didn't know you was gonna open up with Shannon O'Connor. So rest in peace.
Rest in peace. You know who we're talking about.
Okay.
Okay, so. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay. That's pleasant. Yes, it's very light. So sake is light anyway. It's not usually an aggressive liquor or wine.
No.
Wine?
I don't know.
Anyways, this should make for, I think, a very pleasant cocktail.
I mean, it has nice notes and everything. I can
Kind of like fruity, like pearish.
Yeah.
It's very light. It's pleasant.
Goes down. You hear that? Sugar daddy. Anyway, brunch me. Let's go.
Brunch Miss Annie. Okay, so you're gonna need your whatever sake you want to use. Okay, so no preference there. Obviously, you need your champagne. Okay, you're gonna need some lemon juice, and you're gonna need some pomegranate juice. And get you a little lemon twist, excuse me, for garnish.
Circles, spirals, I don't know.
Yeah, like whatever you can get. I don't know what they're, but yeah, those things to make it pretty, make it cute. And in your shaker, make sure you have some ice so we can get into this.
Get into it, darling.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our sake.
2 ounces.
Well, it's a sake forward cocktail, so not bad, Jesus.
Ow.
Thus, you're gonna want, I'm just gonna put like a little bit more, just a little bit more than the 2 ounces.
Oh.
I feel like the ancestors are like, hey boo. You know what, whole time, and I think this is because it's the 5th recipe, we really don't need lemon juice, babe. But that's okay. It's cute, it looked good on the table. I just realized, it's fine.
That's fine.
Whatever.
We needed the lemon twist.
Exactly. And to us, that equaled lemon juice,
Yep.
for some reason. Okay, so our pomegranate juice. We're gonna put 1 ounce of our pomegranate juice.
1 ounce.
1 ounce.
So have you had this by itself?
The pomegranate juice, I've had not straight pomegranate juice. I've had like the white tea lemonade version of the pom juice. Yeah, I do. So I haven't had the actual original, by itself. So I'm curious. Okay, so we're gonna actually shake this.
Okay.
And we're gonna top with our champagne.
Do we gotta put the bitters in there?
Right. The bitters are helpful. Okay, it's 2 dashes. Thank you.
Ooh, I see the droplet.
I know, right? I'm good. And so obviously, because I already stuck the top on, it's gonna make a little bit of a mess, but at least I didn't start shaking before.
No, not at all.
Okay, so I'll put a link in the comments or the description about where we got this. We did get it off Amazon. So these are orange bitters, okay? But you can use any citrus bitters that you'd like.
Drip, drip.
Just a quick little boop, boop. You know what I mean? Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, she boop. Oh. Okay. She said boop, doo, doo, doo. Okay, that's, I don't know. That's so.
Way downtown, faces passing a phone bound.
And I need you. And I miss you.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and shake this. Oh my gosh. It's just a catastrophe right now. Don't judge us.
Okay,
Okay, my particular shaker, we're not gonna talk about it. It's seen better days, guys.
Rain on
Can I see that? Yeah, thank you. Oh, it's seen better days, and
I can't stay in the rain.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly.
let's start off with that one, because that's the most openness.
I don't think we need much. It's already kind of filled.
You know what? Yeah. But,
Ooh, look at that.
right, hold on. Well, we'll figure.
Pour up for
Waste
my
not
phone.
want not. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so basically, a little bit of trauma, but we in there.
We made it.
And
This is different for us. 5. Okay, a little curl.
yes, a little curls, a little.
Mine was a little womp, but whatever.
It was a small lemon. I don't know. Anyway. So the point is, let's taste this.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Okay. Sake to me.
I
I like this.
Sorry. Okay. Is it you or me that start? What's happening? Who
I
started?
don't know, but we can't keep doing 5 drinks.
We cannot. I think this is evidence. We'll never do this again. Because a little bit of a situation here. Oh my god. Okay. All right. So I guess I'll start.
Yeah, you start.
The drink is good, so we're not gonna say anything about the quality of the drink here.
No.
I just don't get the sake,
What you mean?
so I don't taste it.
Isn't that the point?
Well, I mean, it's literally called a sake sparkling
I
cocktail.
hear what you're saying, but don't usually brunch drink.
So you're correct. Brunch drinks are like, let's go hard or go home, and so I get that. I get that angle. However, I would like to taste the sake a little more. I mean, I guess, or rename it. You know, call it a sparkling cocktail with sake or something. I mean, you're to me, when you name it sake sparkling cocktail, you are informing me that the sake is forward, like facing to the
Sorry,
juice.
y'all. I'll have COVID.
So she don't got that bed. She don't got the bed. She don't got that Rona. So it's good. Like, don't get me wrong. Okay, so like if I'm gonna rate it, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 because I feel like it is tasty, but you have misnamed it. Because I don't get. Right now, I'm just drinking champagne and pomegranate juice. Do you see what I'm saying? Like,
But you gave the Bloody Mary
a negative one.
a negative
a
one,
negative one.
and it probably tastes just like a Mary does bloody. Cause wow, bloody nasty.
What are you, British now?
I can chop, then yes, I can chop. See, Anyway, but yeah. Anyway,
Okay, so it's your turn. So that's just that's the only feedback I have is I just wanted to taste the sake. If you're gonna call it a sake sparkling cocktail, that's it. Okay.
I think I'm gonna give this a. Oh God, the limit to it. Wait, one more time.
What?
I'm gonna give this about a. I'm gonna give it a 9. I like it. It's different. I don't do pomegranate too often, but this is not bad. I was a little skeptical about pomegranate. Heard some things about it, but it's not bad.
What do you hear about pomegranate? What pomegranate do to you?
The scale can go on both
Oh
ends.
my.
Anyway,
Okay.
I like it. It's a 9 for me. I think overall, today has went pretty well, especially on the upside after what we had experienced traumatizing us earlier.
So you know what we gotta do? Okay, so we've tried 5 recipes. And so go ahead and break down your ranking of everything we've tried.
Okay. I'll do the first one, which is the fresh Bellini.
Okay, so that's your number 1?
That's my number 1.
Okay.
The Sangrita will be my second. The third will be this.
Okay.
And then the fourth will be the beer margarita.
Okay.
And of course, it wouldn't make the list, but of course we have to include it in today's segment. The nasty beer Bloody Mary. Yeah. That was just awful. Would not recommend. No stars. No stars.
0 stars. Okay,
0 stars.
got it.
Wait, go ahead. Your turn.
Okay, so I am going to also start off with a fresh Bellini as number 1. I think my number 2 is
it the beer margarita?
I think it's the beer margarita for me. I think Sangrita is number 3. I think this is number 4, but I want to be honest that 3 and 4 are really close. Okay, they're like very close for me. And well, the Bloody Mary can just go off a cliff. Okay, because that was repulsive. So yeah, I mean it's 5th, but really it's like 1,000 because
I just don't understand. I have to look up that original, like where it originated from, because I need to know why, what, how, all of those.
Here's the thing. I actually believe that there's no combination of ingredients, like even if we went with the most original recipe of a Bloody Mary, that I would enjoy. Like, I don't want no bacon in my joint. I don't want no crab meat in my joint. They'd be like, oh, sprinkle a Old Bay seasoning on it.
No.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I just don't.
What else they be putting in it? Onion,
Everything.
celery stalk.
I've seen a whole chicken wing as a garnish.
Yes, actually, as a matter of fact, I have seen that as well.
I want.
Like, if you're hungry, you hungry. Don't separate that from your drink.
First of all, you're baking, cooking, and drinking at the same time in that drink. I don't like it. I would not recommend.
For why?
It's nasty.
For
But anyway,
why?
I don't want to relive that.
So, again,
Good job.
let us know what you think, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell. How would you rank everything that we have tried? Have we missed one of your classic go-to brunch drinks? Because we could only try 5 here, and you can see we are lushing, okay? The lush is real. So let us know if we missed anything that you would normally try.
Comment below and let us know. Hey, comment on the low. Hey.
Oh, what are you, a rapper? Oh my gosh, you're a rapper.
Lil Breeze at your service. Oh, wait.
Oh,
No, Lil Breeze, no. Gertrude. Gertrude. At your service.
Okay, so is Gertrude gonna also talk to the sugar daddies, or that her
So
her
this is-
equal?
You know what? It depends. It depends on the age. It depends on the age.
Okay.
Depends on what he drives. You know what I'm saying? If he's driving a Buick, it's Gertrude, baby.
I can't.
But anyway, this was good. I like this segment. I lost hope in you for a second with the Bloody Mary, but she
But
made
you
up for it.
understand, listen, but you understand why I had to do what I had to do. Because if you think, okay, real talk, and this is serious, let me know, y'all have to let me know what you think. When you think of brunch, like when they offer you the bottomless options, a lot of places really do offer a bottomless Bloody Mary option. I've literally seen this on several menus. So that's why I was like, well, we can't do a brunch segment and not address it. It was trash, but we can't like not address it because it's literally a staple for many people. Like a lot of people are like, yeah, I can't wait. And I'm like, dog, why? I don't know, but they like it. So sometimes when you're like, Amber, why are you doing this to me? I am trying to be equitable and fair across the board to show representation of all sides. That joint might not be our type of thing, but we still have to do our due diligence and try everything out. Okay, you see what I'm saying here? I see the shade in the eyes.
I hear you. I hear you. But I ain't got time for all that.
Well, anyways, we gotta
we gotta go.
I got a second plate to get to.
Oxtails, turkey
Some
wings.
turkey wings, some baked beans. Okay,
Y'all
some
have a
corn
great
on the
day.
pie.
We
So
can get going.
we'll be back. I don't know what we're doing next.
Oh, matter of fact, she don't know, but I snuck those damn cookies that she made from scratch.
Y'all didn't hear about that. But anywho,
See y'all.
until next time, y'all, lush it up.